Have you ever witnessed a story so inspiring that it shifted your entire perspective on what healing really means? Not just physically, but emotionally, mentally, even spiritually? Today, I want to share real patient stories of transformative healing. These aren't overnight fixes or miracle cures. They're the kind of stories that ignite something in you, that remind you what's possible, that whisper, if it's possible for them, maybe it's possible for me too. Let's explore how acupuncture, movement medicine, emotional resilience, and soul centered care are changing lives. Welcome to The Longevity Path with Dr. Ava's Avatar, where ancient wisdom meets modern wellness and where you're invited to not just survive, but to thrive mind, body, and soul. And if you're wondering, what's one simple tool you can try at home that can enhance your healing, calm your nervous system, and open your energy channels? Stay tuned. I'll share a rare yet powerful technique that I often recommend as a bridge between body and energy healing. Let's talk about Sarah's story, emotional resilience, plus acupuncture. Let me introduce you to Sarah, a 42-year-old mother of two. When Sarah first came to us, she looked like she was carrying the weight of the world. Her eyes were tired, her energy depleted, her labs normal, but she knew something wasn't right. She described it as running on empty even after a full night's sleep. Doctors called it stress. She called it unbearable. That's when we started acupuncture, focused on restoring her heart and kidney qi, paired with a gentle herbal formula to calm her nervous system and nourish her blood. And something amazing happened. With each treatment, Sarah didn't just get more energy, she got her spark back. She started walking again in the mornings, laughing with her kids, cooking meals she loved. The biggest shift? She started believing in her body again. Her story is a reminder that healing isn't always about fixing what's broken. It's about remembering what's possible when you support the system as a whole. Have you heard Lisa's story about physical mobility plus aging gracefully? Meet Lisa, age 58, retired educator, and the queen of saying, I guess this is just what getting older feels like. Lisa came in with joint pain, brain fog, and low energy. She wasn't sick, but she wasn't well either. She was just stuck. So many women in this phase of life feel like their best years are behind them. But Lisa was about to prove otherwise. We started with two pillars. One, Tai Chi, to reintroduce graceful, meditative movement. Two, customized supplements, including magnesium glycinate and adaptogens to support stress response and joint health. The first few weeks were slow, but then the magic happened. One day she came in and said, I woke up before my alarm. My joints didn't ache. My thoughts felt clear. Now, Lisa walks 2 miles every morning and helps lead a weekly community Tai Chi group. She says she feels younger at 58 than she did at 40. Let that sink in. Aging isn't a decline. It can be a return to vitality with the right support. Last but not least, Anna's story, spiritual healing plus mind-body connection. Now let's talk about Anna, quiet, sensitive, deeply intuitive. When Anna first joined us, her symptoms were vague: fatigue, mood swings, bloating, occasional panic attacks. Her labs looked fine. Her diet was clean, but her one spirit was frayed. That's when we went deeper into the energetic body. She began a simple daily practice of Qigong, paired with guided meditation, focused on grounding and heart-centered awareness. And slowly, the walls came down. She started sleeping through the night. Her digestion improved. And the anxiety? It softened. Anna told me, for the first time in years, I don't feel like I'm fighting my body. I feel like I'm listening to it. Her journey is proof that healing isn't always about more effort. It's about more alignment. Bonus tip, Tongren therapy, energy healing for beginners. Let me introduce you to a lesser known practice, Tongren therapy. Tongren blends Chinese medicine theory with energy psychology. It uses a tool, a small doll and magnetic hammer, to tap on meridian points as a way of releasing blockages in the body's energy system. Now, before you think, that sounds strange. Let me explain. This isn't about superstition, it's about resonance. Tongren works like tuning a piano. When one part of your system is out of tune, whether emotional, hormonal, or physical, this practice can help bring it back into harmony. You don't need special skills to try it. You can start by simply tapping gently over your body, your chest, your lower belly, your shoulders, while breathing slowly and visualizing stuck energy melting away. Used weekly, this simple ritual can support nervous system regulation, emotional release, and even pain relief. Every healing story starts with a decision to believe in your body again, to say, maybe there's another way, to stop settling for survival and instead begin reaching for vitality. Sarah, Lisa, and Anna didn't follow a script. They followed curiosity. They followed alignment. And they gave themselves permission to heal at their own pace. And now I invite you to do the same. If this episode lit something up in you, like it, share it, subscribe to the channel. Want to begin your own healing journey with support and guidance tailored to you? Book your session now. I'll post the link in the description. Together, we'll listen to your body, honor your story, and walk your longevity path with grace.